Where B2W excels in the area of tying in outside software is nobody at B2W has the mentality of that's not our problem. My specialty on the team is that I work cross-team between not only the implementation team, but the integrations team as well, so I am the liaison in that area.
Integration with other systems, non-B2W products is very important. People are realizing that they want to share data across systems more and more.
There's been a big initiative to enable the implementation team to be a critical part of the integrations, installation, setup, and deployment of the different integrations.
And there's more systems to communicate with, whether it's accounting, whether it's telematics.
The Trimble partners in Vista and Spectrum.
Not just with other Trimble systems, it's really other accounting systems that are unrelated to our family.
The different Sage products the computer uses, the QuickBooks, we work very well with those, and we have people on staff who are very intimate with those products. We've invested in making sure that we have access to them, so we have our own version of the software so that we can provide guidance and direct customers on the best approaches on how to use them with our products.
Having come from the construction side of the world, it's to have somebody on the other end as a vendor that really is engaged in your business and understanding what your needs are and how to help you. And they're excited about it, which is good to see.